Hey guys, welcome back to channel. In today's video, we will discuss about top 10 anime where main character is far more stronger than everyone else. And like always, I am uploading video daily. So if you are new on this channel, be sure to subscribe and press the notification bell icon. And if you enjoyed this video, then please show love by likes and comment. Okay friend, without wasting any more time, let's get start this video.
Cause we could be immortals, immortals. Just know I'm a living legend. I'm a living legend. Best that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become. The nightmare's just begun.
So are you gonna die today? Make it out alive.
I feel it in my veins. It's not going away. Take me higher, I'll sing. Oh, you make every
Number 10, Bakamasu Crisis 2019. The Bakamasu was an era in which the souls of young men burned with anxiety for their country's future. Takasugi Shinasuke, a soldier of fortune from Chozo, sneaks abroad a government ship with his comrade Kasura Kogaru in search of a mysterious timepiece. With the power to manipulate time that he fears the government wishes to keep for themselves. Rather than allow such power to fall into the wrong hands, Takasugi plans to destroy the artifact. But having obtained it, the artifact is quickly stolen, forcing the pair to follow the mysterious thief to the seat of government in Kyoto. However, when they arrive in the capital, they discover that the government is overthrown and the deity Susano now reigns in its place. The streets of the city and the people in them are much different than Takasugi and Kasuru remembered. The time may have changed, but their mission has not. Takasugi and Kasuru resolve to reset time and save their nation from the nefarious forces trying to hijack it. Number 9, WZ 2019. Yukiya, who is probably 14-year-old, spent his time DJing alone. Due to his father's influence, he listens to house music since he was young, and he uploads videos online. He wants to convey something to someone. He wants to be recognized and become important. But getting hurt is scary. One day, while trying to get more views, he does something that can't be undone, and he sees a live broadcast from that world. Yukiya believes he can't do anything alone, but that he could accomplish something if he were doing it together with someone else. Number 8, Cannon Buster 2019. Explore the fantastic land of Gearbolt as we follow a motley crew of travelers on an unforgettable journey to reunite two best friends. Sam is a high-end friendship robot determined to reunite with her best friend Calbe, the missing heir of her kingdom under siege. Cassie Turnbuckle is an outdated, spunky grease monkey repair robot looking for an upgrade. Philly the Kid is a wanted immortal fugitive just looking for a chance to shake them. Along for the ride is the greatest swordman never known and an oversized Cadillac Eldorado that transform into a sentient giant robot on their own. They are a lost cause. Together they are the hippest group of travelers in action fantasy. Number 7, Gundam Build Divers 2019. Gunpla Battle Nexus Online (GBN) is a new network game that lets people enjoy a variety of missions using Gunpla in a virtual cyberspace dimension. Middle school student Riko Mikami and Yukio Hidaka recruit their classmate Momoko Yashiro and dive together into this vast world. Becoming divers on inhabitant of GBNs, they meet a mysterious girl named Sarah, who has an amazing sensitivity to Gunpla. They begin playing alongside her, but there are many other famous divers, starting with Kyoya Kuzo, the champion whom Riko admires. Multiple divers can join to form a team called Force. Meanwhile, the game is disrupted by a mass diver who use unofficial tool called Break Decals. Through many encounter and experience, Riko and his friend will build not only Gunpla but their own adventures as well. Number 6, Black Fox 2019. Rika Isuragi has spent her life training in the way of ninja with her grandfather Hoy while following in the footsteps of her father, the esteemed researcher Alan. His work has culminated in a set of cutting-edge drones equipped with artificial intelligence and incredible technical capabilities. Although Alan plans to develop these drones for civilian use, There are others who have more sinister ideas in mind. On Rika's 16th birthday, things are forever changed when a paramilitary group raids the Isuragi house in search of the drone technology, killing Alan and Hoy. While Rika manages to escape with the drone, months pass and Rika is now an ordinary girl working as a private detective while sharing an apartment with another girl, Melisha. But when night falls, she dons her grandfather Fox marks and mercilessly hunts down those responsible for the attack. With the anger she felt that day driving her forward, Rika will not rest until her family killer receive the justice that they deserve. Number 5. Kimisho no Yaiba 2019. Ever since the death of his father, the burden of supporting the family has fallen upon Tanjiro's Kamado's shoulder. Though living impoverished on a remote mountain, the Kamado family are able to enjoy a relatively peaceful and happy life. One day, Tanjiro decides to go down to the local village to make a little money selling charcoal. On his way back, night falls, forcing Tanjiro to take shelter in the house of a strange man, who warns him of the existence of flesh-eating demons that lurk in the woods at night. When he finally arrives back home the next day, he is met with a horrifying sight. His whole family has been slaughtered. Worse still, the sole survivor is his sister Nizuko, who has been turned into bloodthirsty demon. Consumed by rage and hatred, Tanjiro swears to avenge his family and stays by his only remaining sibling. Alongside the mysterious group calling themselves the Demon Slayer Corps, Tanjiro will do whatever it takes to slay the demons and protect the remnant of his beloved sister humanity. Number 4. Dororo 2019. The greedy samurai Lord Daigo Kijomitsu. Land is dying and he would do anything for power, even renounce Buddha and make a pact with demons. His prayers are answered by 12 demons who grant him the power he desires by adding his prefecture's growth. But at a price, when Kamatsu's first son is born, the boy has no limb, no eyes, no ears, or not even skin, yet still he lives. This child is disposed of in a river and forgotten, but as luck would have it, he is saved by a medicine man who provides him with prosthetics and weapons. Allowing for him to survive and fend for himself, the boy lives and grows, and although he cannot see, hear, or feel anything, he must defeat the demon that took him as sacrifice. With the death of each one, he regains a part of himself that is rightfully his. For many years, he wanders alone until one day he meets an orphan boy, Dororo, and befriends with him. The unlikely pair of castaways now fight for their survival and humanity in an unforgiven, demon-infested world. Number 3. Dimension W 2016. In the near future, humans have discovered a fourth dimension, Dimension W, and a supposedly infinite source of energy within. In order to harness this profound new energy, mankind develops advanced coil, develops that links to use the power of Dimension W. However, by year 2071, the new Tesla Energy Corporation has monopolized the energy industry with coils, soon leading to the illegal distribution of unofficial coil that began flooding the market. Kyoma Mobuchi is an ex-soldier who is wary of all coil-based technology to the extent that he still drives a gas-powered car. Kyoma is a collector, individual with the sole duty of hunting down illegal coils in exchange for money. What started out as just another mission is turned out on his head when he bumps into the Mira Irazuki, an android with a connection to the father of coil. When a series of strange events begins to take place, these two unlikely allies band together to uncover the mysterious of Dimension W. Number 2. No Guns Live 2019. The technology to create powerful cyborg soldiers has been released for public use by the Baru Corporation. Those outfitted with robotic parts are known as the Extended Junojo Yoi. One such extended was created as a soldier and has no memory of his former life. But now, after the war, he runs a business that takes care of the extended related incident around the city. Rumors of a renegade extended that kidnapped a child reaches his ear. Lo and behold, as Juzo returns to his office, a giant robotic man with a boy on his back crashes in, asking for help. while Juzo could just turn the guy in and be done with it. Something about this situation is too fishy to ignore it. It seems that everyone wants hold of this kid and whether he likes or not. Jujo must find out why this extended is on the run, how it connects to the Bahrum Corporation, and just how far the treasury runs in this city. Number 1. Radiant 2019. Nemesis. Powerful and mysterious demonic entities that fall from the sky and vaporize anything they touch. The only ones who can combat these creatures are sorcerers. Those who have survived an encounter with a nemesis but were infected in the process. Seth, a sorcerer from Pombo Hills, set out on a journey to exterminate all these nemesis. Accompanying him are Doc and Melee, fellow sorcerers who says his idol. Their main objective is to bring about a world where sorceries are no longer persecuted for being infected, and to that end desire to destroy the source of nemesis themselves, the mythical Radiant.
Away from Juliet, and now it's lying on the staircase, begging to please don't go.